Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Jenny's, the Crazy Country Couponer. And I've got some additional ArmHammer double dipping news for you that's going to make this deal even better, and you know you want to know. So come on in, and we're going to talk about that deal, and this deal, and some more deals, because there's a lot of deals, and we're going to talk about a few of them. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, hey, right now look below and hit that subscription button and that notification bell. And that way you will not ever miss any deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, or awesome information. Hanging out at Jenny's, enjoying some beautiful photography, a little bit of peace, and a smile, hopefully. And, and saving money. So, let's fix you up right now. Hit that subscription button below. And that way you won't miss any of that. Alright, everybody. Thank you again for stopping back by and being my crazy friends. Thank you very much. And please, before you leave the video, matter of fact, you can do it right now. Give me an emoji and a comment. Please, please, please. It's very important to help the channel thrive. And, well, keep us up there so we can help all these people. Alright, like I told you, I figured I would share some of my favorite photography with you guys. And I hope you enjoy this one of an Arkansas sunset. But let's get into this other hot deal that I've got for you on this ArmHammer stuff. We had new urns post for the ArmHammer products, guys. So if you've not done your ArmHammer deal yet, where you save 5 when you spend 20 on ArmHammer, then let's relook at this deal. And a couple of different ways as well. We also have some urns on the all detergent as well. And that's a double dipping deal there as well. So, let's have a look at this ArmHammer. Now, this $3 urn puts a whole new perspective on this ArmHammer deal. And I say this because it is glitching, okay? And it is not attaching to every ArmHammer. Just so you know, when it comes to the ArmHammer deal. The $3 urn is not attaching to every one, so make sure you scan them before you do these deals. Now, the simplest deal to do for this ArmHammer, and also one of the ones that is glitching, is going to be the ArmHammer detergent with softener. You are getting an urn for $3 with this, and the $3 coupon is also attaching to this. Okay? This is a 72 load. And it is $9, I believe, and 50 cents. So you're going to pick up 2 of these, okay? And you're going to get a $3 off. And then you're going to get a $3 urn. And because you can use this urn up to 5 times, you're going to get a second $3 urn. Which basically is a rebate for those of you who are specific about the verbiage. The urn is actually like a cash deposited rebate to a gift card from Dollar General. Best way to describe it. Now, once you get these two $9.50 ArmHammers, you're going to be at $20, so you're going to get your extra $5 off. So right here, right off the bat, you're going to be saving $8. So you're going to walk out of the store paying $12 out of pocket, okay, for those 2 items. However, you're going to get 2 urns back for $6 total, leaving you paying $6 out of pocket for 2 of these 72 load 100.5 ounce ArmHammer. Okay, we have a $3 off ArmHammer 138 ounce to 140 ounce. Now, this is a little bit older ArmHammer coupon, so if you have this on your account, this is going to be another good deal. Actually, it is a better deal because you get more bang for your buck. So you're going to pick up either 106 load or 140 load. Both of those are $12.50. And the $3 earn and the $3 save coupon are only working on those two, okay? These are the only two that you are getting the double dip on. So you're going to pick up one of those 140 loads or 106 loads. Doesn't matter, just a $12.50 ArmHammer. And then you're also going to pick up the $9.50 ArmHammer again. You got a $3 off on both of those. $3 earns on both of those. And you've got a 5 off. So you're at $22. You've got $11 in coupons coming off. That leaves you $11 out of pocket, as well as $6 coming back in earned. So a final out of pocket of $5. And you're getting this big, ginormous bottle of detergent. Now, the last two are 5 off 25 scenarios, okay? One is a 5 off 25 scenario, but both of them are with double instant savings, okay? Because we have so many ArmHammer coupons, we might as well use them all in one go. And we also have a new coupon that we're going to use in this deal. Surprise! We've got another save 10 when you spend $40 at Dollar General. Okay, and not only that, we've got an extra 5 off 25 that was added to your accounts. I don't know if everybody got that or just some, but I ended up with 2 5 off 25 digitals and this 10 off of 40 digital. So we're going to shoot for this 10 off of 40 on one of these instant savings deals, and then we're also going to do a 5 off of 25. So let's look at the 5 off of 25. Okay, this first deal is our 5 off of 25, okay? Now, we've got a lot of the ArmHammer coupons as well as the ArmHammer earn offers. So we're going to take advantage of all of them in these deals. So you're going to pick up the $12.50 that we just discussed. You got a $3 coupon, $3 earn. The $9.50 that we just discussed, $3 coupon, $3 earn. The $6 one, you've got a $2 digital coupon. A $4 one, you've got a $1 earn. And then you're going to pick up another $9.50 one. You have another $3 earn. Now you're at $41.50. That is awesome because now we're going to get a double instant savings of $10 coming off. That's still going to leave you $31.50. Leaves you plenty enough money for your 5 to come off. And you're going to have $12 in coupons as well. That leaves you with $19.50 out of pocket for all of these items. But you're going to get a $10 total earn back. So your final out of pocket is $9.50 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these ArmHammer items. And this is a great deal because this is like purchasing one of those $9.50 ArmHammers and getting the rest of them absolutely free. So you've got a total savings of $32, guys. And like, oh, this is a winner. Now your next one. Now these two Saturday deals, they get a little long and complicated. So, you know, it's up to you if you want to give them a try. Or if you just want to go for the easy ones. Now remember, it's an instant savings deal. You simply need to purchase $20 just to get that $5 off along with your coupons. Now, on Saturday, of course, we've got this 10 off of 40 and that 5 off of 25 that we can add to this. Now, this one is going to be picking up the $12.50, getting the $3 off, the $9.50, the $6, the $4, the other $9.50 coupon. Or, I'm sorry, Arm & Hammer detergent. You know, the deal we just did for $41.50. But since we want to use this 10 off of 40, and we're going to use that double instant savings, then we got to go above and beyond. We're going to go pick up 3 of the white all detergents for $15. You got a $3 coming off, $1.50 coming off, and an additional $5 coming off. And that's going to give you enough to get your $10 off of 40, okay? Because even after you're at $56, so after your $10 instant savings comes off, you're still at $46. That still gives you plenty of room. Now, that is an out-of-pocket of $19 before your earns, okay? Your total earn amount is $13. That means a final out-of-pocket of $6, guys. Winner, winner. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items, all of them detergent, enough to keep you stocked up detergent for months, at least until Christmas, as long as you're not brand choosy. So, there you go. This is the way you do detergent shopping. So, blessings, guys. I know these deals, these last two was a little bit long and, you know, kind of complicated, and the out-of-pocket is a little high. But if you do Walgreens, sometimes you know you got to spend a little to make a little. In the end, like I said, your final out-of-pocket for all of these items will be $6. So, more than worth the deal. So we'll talk again real soon because I got some more. Yes, there's more. There's glitches, but I didn't want to put them in here because this was a long enough deal. And it's already full of the glitches that have the earns to them because you know that it says you're not supposed to be able to get the earns with the coupon. Well, it doesn't work for all of them. It does work for some of them, okay? So that's why it's a glitch. So blessings, and I'll see you real soon.